Okay, everybody, it's here they all showing up now. As they get from here, oh, here's another one. Look, that's called a towhee. That bird over there looks sort of like a robin with white breasts. It's a towhee, and you all know what the cardinals are, I believe, by now. This is Wednesday morning, April the 9th, in my secret garden here, where I am known as the bird whisperer, because I talk to my little bird friends every morning, and during the day too, when I bring them bird seed. And you notice they're getting very friendly with me. I got them all coming over here now. Cardinals, towhees, chickadees, titmouse, and Carolina chickadees. Oh, there's the red-winged blackbird. Let's get him in here. Yeah, he wants to be part of the video too, he said. Yeah, he was talking to me yesterday. And he said, you know, I want to be included in your videos. Hello there, Red Wing. What you doing, babe? Huh? Yeah. You don't come all around here as often as the rest of these birds, you know. But you're getting to know me, aren't you? Yeah, there he is. He makes that sound you just heard. See, here he comes. He's coming down. Took him a while to get acquainted with it. They have the forthwith to come forward and join the other birds. He was sort of a loner, you know. Yep. Okay. Oh, we're going into 2 minutes already? This is so much fun here. We'll have to do another one. Okay, guys, I'm going to do another video in a minute.